Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com, and here are 10 steps to start your day off right so that you will have a more productive day and hopefully a better life. Number 1, fix your bed. Now pat yourself on the back. Good job. You've already accomplished a task and you've gained self-satisfaction. Now you're ready to complete more tasks during the day ahead. And your bed will be crisp and fresh when you hop into it tonight after a successful day. Number 2, it might sound ridiculous, but go. Give yourself time to go to the bathroom. Nowadays, many of us are in such a hurry that we skip this part. Are you trying to lose weight? How do you think you lose weight? By eliminating it, by going number 1 or number 2, or by sweating it out. Give yourself time to go to the bathroom. Number 3, drink 1 to 2 glasses of water in the morning when you wake up. You become dehydrated while sleeping. Your body needs water to keep your digestive system running smoothly, and your brain and heart are comprised of 73% water, so drink up. If you dislike the taste of water, drop a lemon or a cucumber slice into it to liven it up. Skip those carbonated water drinks. A doctor told me that the human body is not designed to digest carbonated beverages, so stay away from those. Number 4, exercise. No gym, no problem. Sit-ups, squats, push-ups, no gym required. Get the body woke and warmed up. Get the blood pumping with 2 to 3 sets of each exercise. Number 5, floss and brush your teeth. Did you know that by flossing, you are also discouraging heart disease? Don't believe me? Look it up. Number 6, take a shower. Cleanliness is next to godliness, and no one wants to be standing or working alongside you if you stink. Revert back to number 5 and read it again. Number 7, shave. My friend Jeff, his dad's name is John. He was in the military. He told his 3 sons, he said, boys, you either have a beard or you don't. Don't walk around with a 3-day beard growth. Have you ever watched some of the old-time movies? The bad guys, the ones who portrayed the criminals, they always sported a 3-day beard growth. How did this become acceptable today? It might just be laziness, or are you afraid to shave because you're doing it improperly and you're getting ingrown hairs or irritation? Well, check out the shaving videos by yours truly, Geofatboy, on YouTube. Number 8, eat a healthy breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Your body has been fasting for several hours. You need fuel to provide energy for the day ahead, especially since the morning is usually your most productive time of the day. I know mine is. Number 9, check your to-do list and schedule your day accordingly. You can multitask and do this while you eat your breakfast. Put your priorities in order and plan out your day. Number 10, get dressed. Wear clean, well-fitted clothing. Shirt, tucked in or not. Untucked is now acceptable as long as it's not too long. Pants, pulled up all the way. Trust me, no one wants to see your underwear. If for some reason you're wearing your grandfather's pants, get a belt and cinch them up. Shoes, keep them clean and polished. That's 10. Remember, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. Perform these 10 tasks each morning and you'll be ready to conquer the world. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.